business, and I'm going to show you what your building needs to be done properly and effectively. What we have here is called a common bond. And what they should have done here is they should have taken the whole brick into here, but they didn't do that because this is a divider wall. This was added on to divide your building up before you purchased it. So what they should have done, they should have toothed this brick, this 8-inch block into here, and then this would have been a whole one and vice versa. That would have been on common bond, but you can see they're off. You see what I'm saying? One here, because they just laid it up on common bond. So this is why it's pulling away from the wall. This is safe, but all this is doing is just pulling away from the wall. So to fix this properly and correctly, I got to dig it out all the way over to here. You can see over to here. This all has to be dug out. And then I have to get a special gun in here, and I got to shoot it with Type S from the bottom all the way up to here, and level this off, and then grind it out, and then go up a little further and grind all that out here, and do the same process so I can push the motor back into here. So it's called core filling. The cores are going to get filled. Every core is going to get filled because there's two cores. There's one here and one here, and there's a divider here. This is what they should have done. If they didn't tie it into the wall, they should have filled this with core and then put rebar in. That way it couldn't go back and forth. That's what happened to you. Because this wasn't tied into here, because you can see it's off bond here, almost 1.5 inches, 2 inches, which is very strong. But to fix it correctly, we have to dig this out of here now and get in here with a grout bag and start shooting that so it fills up to here level, and then trowel it off so it pushes water, and then strike this, and that'll be safe. And need be, I could put a pin in here on this side because this will be solid, and this may be cord filled, I'm not sure. And then we could, that's pretty safe on that area there. But I need to go from here, probably over there. And then we're going to cut out this head. This is called a head joint. These are your bed joints. These are your head joints. All right. These take 8,000 pounds per square inch. So every inch is 8,000 pounds per square inch. So you're going to grind them out. I'm going to have 2 guys grind this out here all the way to the top of there, all the way to the top. And then we're going to strike that and grind it out and fill it with a gun. Takes a lot of time. And strike all that real nice with a concave joint. This is called a concave joint. So you're going to strike that with an iron. This will all be cement filled in here. So about up into there where it's really pulling the worst. And then over here,